Good evening. Good evening. I guess there's something wrong with really my microphone. So, yes, finally I'm not late. Yes, you are not late. Hi, Colonel. Good evening, Colonel. Welcome, welcome, welcome back to our yes. Good evening. We will start in a few minutes. Good evening. Um, yeah, I still have some issues with chill background. Yes, chill tayo dito, Colonel. We might have some issues with the microphone, so please bear. I still have not. Can you hear the sound? The background sound.
See,
Wait.
I'm ready.
Sorry. So we will go through direct and inverse variations tonight. I hope my mic is okay. ah, uh, hinaan ko lang yung music. not having any sound. Okay, I'm back. All right, so we will start with direct and inverse variation. So when we say direct and inverse variation, this is based on from the word varies, from the word variation, varied, meaning you will have the relationship between two things or two variable. Okay, so the first one that we have is your direct. Pag sinabi nating direct, meaning straightforward, walang ibang relationship, walang ibang mixed up or what happened to that? Walang ibang mixed up or anything that is complex. So when we talk about a direct variation, we are talking about a relationship where as your x increases, your y will also increase. Okay? So when we say direct, it's either as x increases or one variable increases, your other variable or your y also increases. And if we say as one variable decreases, the other variable as well decreases. So it's the same as we say there is a direct variation between the two. So pag sinabi nating direct variation niya and one increases and the other increases, that means that there is a constant rate. Okay? Constant yung pag-increase nilang dalawa. Constant. So what do we mean by constant? Let's say for example, you are earning $10 for working for 2 hours. Let's say 2 hours. So you will earn $20 if you were to work for another 4 hours, right? For the next 2 hours. And then it will increase to $30 if you work for the next 6 hours. So that is how it is when we say direct variation. As one increases, the other as well increases. So for example, your income, that will also increase. Okay? So how do we put this into relationship, into ratio and proportion? So the direct y, let's say y, is directly proportional to your x. That means that y1 is equal to k times your x. So bale yung k mo dito, this is your constant, by the way. Ito yung constant. So there is a constant increase. So yung constant natin is i-multiply natin sa x natin. So halimbawa, yung y mo is increasing by 2. That means that you will multiply x by 2 as well para mag-increase siya. Okay? So that's the purpose of your k there. So if it is a direct, again, kung direct siya, that will be y1 or y equals kx. So if you wanted to know what is the value of k, you just need to rearrange it, right? Rearranging it, that will be y over x equals k. Okay, if you rearrange it. Therefore, if you wanted to compare two variables as it increases before and after, that will be y1 over x1 equals y2 over x2. So that is your direct. Okay, so from here, from this one, on direct is you will have y1 over x1 equals y2 over x2. That is your direct variation. So if you have, let's say for example, I'll just need to delete this because I don't have space. So sorry. Okay, direct, that will be y1 over x1 equals y2 over x2. So let's say for example, if y varies directly, okay, as x, and let's say your y is 10 as x is 2.4. So find x when y is 15. So if y varies directly, so you know that the relationship of your y and x is direct because it is stated sa first part pa lang ng question mo, there is already a statement that y varies directly with your x. So as y is 10, x is 2.4. So this is the initial na um, binibigay sa iyo para alam mo kung ano yung relationship ng y and x. Ano yung initial uh, amount. So find x when y is 15. So how would I find x? Huwag nyo nang i-find yung x nyo. Go find your x. Okay? So we use back our y1 over x1 equals y2 over x2. Alright? So that will be y1. So isusulat lang natin yung formula natin. The next step is you will rearrange. Okay? Yung first or initial relationship na numbers na ibinigay sa'yo, that will be your y1 and x1. The second will be your y2 and x2. You might ask, Teacher Maria, is it really necessary na dapat y1 yung nauuna tapos y2 yung pangalawa? Not really necessary. It's not necessary for the initial value to be y1. However, for convenient purposes, yun na yung y1 mo. Y1 means initial, y2 means final. Okay? So, y2 yung hinahanap natin. So, what you need to do is cross multiply. Alright? So, you will have y1 x2 equals y2 x1. Alright? So, what you need to do is you will substitute the value. So, y1 natin is 10 times x2 is unknown. Find x. y2 is 15. x1 is 2.4. Alright? So, x1 is 2.4. So, when you have 10 here, you just need to divide this by 10 para mawala yung 10 mo on this side. So, you will have x2 equals 15 times 2.4 over 10. Then you will get your answer. Mom, question, can I still use the ykx? Kasi yun po tinuturo sa amin. Yes, definitely. Yes, Colonel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so, and then you will find the value of your, so that's 15 times 24 divided by 10, that's, then you will get 3.6. Okay, so I'll show you as well, Colonel, how to use y equals kx. K is, so, bale, if you would use, let me just erase this. Okay, so, bale, yung binigay sa'yo is, y is 10, x is 2.4, and then find x when y is 15. So since it is direct, it will be y equals kx, right? Because it is being multiplied. It's increasing. So kx siya. So the first step, if you will be using this relationship, is to find the scale factor, the ratio, how it increases. So k is to be solved. So you just need to rearrange this. This will be y over x equals k. Okay? So, hanapin mo muna yung k mo. So, that will be k equals 10 divided by 2.4. Okay? So, what is 10 divided by 2.4? Can you solve it for me? Ano pa ba sa boses ko yung... Okay? So, what in maths, right? In maths, it is better to leave your k as a fraction. Bakit kailangan fraction siya? Bakit why not we just solve the decimal value and then round it up? The reason behind is if you will round it up, if you solve it by rounding it up, you will be losing some values because you're already estimating it. You started to estimate. Hello? Yes, I'm still having microphone. So y varies directly with x. Y when y is 12, x is 2. Find y when x is 8. So what is the first step? The first step is to find. Love the new hair color. Aw, thank you, Ambery. Thank you, Ambery. So the first step is to solve for your k, right? So y equals kx. So k equals y over x. Y is 12 and x is 2. So that means our k is, Mom, if you try mo solve, uh, sorry Colonel, hindi ko maintindihan. Try ko solve. Ko mo solve. Yes, yes, yes. Go on, go on, go on. Yes. I'll place it here. Ni try ko solve. Okay. And 48. Yes, that's right. That's right. Yes, that is correct. Yes, you are right, Colonel. So k is y over x. Y is 12. X is 2. That is 6. And you go back to your original form. That's 6 times 8. And you will have 6 times 8 is 48. Yep, yep. You are right. Good. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So that's how easy direct variation is. Then we move on to sorry. Para kung aso dito, tahol ng tahol. Okay. Then let's move on. That's right, Colonel. So then we move on to inverse. So inverse is very similar to direct. But in an inverse relationship, as one value goes up, the other value goes down. Okay? Kung sa direct, both is going up. Hence, your k is being multiplied. Yun yung dapat mong um, i-remember. Why direct variation, why your direct variation is where k is being multiplied to x dahil they both increase. Okay? However, for inverse, dahil isa nag-up, yung isa nag-down, or nag-decrease yung value, hence, as if we have the relationship that will be um, y varies inversely with x. Okay? Y varies inversely with x. So as y increases, your x decreases, or the other way around. So there is not necessarily a constant increase or a constant. I hope I'm heard. Okay. So find y when x is 8. So if y varies directly, so we go back to this. Y equals k over x. Rearranging the formula, this will be yx equals k. So therefore, k will be y is 12, x is 2, k is 24. So hence, we will have, since you're looking for y, so y equals 24 over 8, y is 3. This will also be the same if we use the relationship between the two variation. So you have, I mean, sorry, with the y1 and y2, not two variation. So you have y. If y varies inversely, and we will see. Okay. All right. So I guess everyone is trying so hard. It's just y varies inversely as x and okay, so we will do the two things as well. The same thing. We'll have both together. So you have y equals kx, k over x. Rearranging your formula, you'll have yx. Rearrange lang natin ah. So, bali kung nasa baba siya, when you have your x on your denominator, when you move it to the other side of your equation, it will be multiplied. So your y here is 4, your x is 20. So first thing you have to do is solve for the value of your k, or your constant. Oh, sorry. So this will be 4 times 20, that is 80. That will be your k. And then you go back to this form, find x. So you just need to rearrange this first. Rearrange this where x would be your subject. So x equals k over y. K is 80, x is y, sorry, y is 10. Therefore, x is 80. Okay? Question so far, question so far. Ambery, any question? Colonel, any question? Oh, I'll show you as well if it is the relationship between x and y together. So you have y1 x1 equals y2 x2. So y1 is 4, x Yes. Questions so far? Good evening, Mahablanca. Good evening. Any question? By the way, today is actually the anniversary of our channel. Exactly today, October 25th. Both our YouTube, both our YouTube and Facebook channel. Facebook page, sorry, not Facebook channel, Facebook page. Any questions so far? If there are no questions, then we will proceed with just a few practice on the operations of math. I think you have done this game. Today's the day. Yes, it's October 25th. 2020 when I started this channel. 2020. Yes. October 25th, 2020. In the midst of pandemic. Today is the day. I will remember this day. Oh, thank you, Colonel. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. Medyo, medyo, you have been with us 1 year na po, ma'am, yung, 2 years, 2 years. But the live stream is 1 year. 2 years, 2 years. Mamimigay na tayo. Mamimigay na tayo ng giveaway soon. I owe everyone a giveaway. 2 years? Yes, it's been 2 years. Facebook page is 1 year. This one is 2 years. But I started streaming, live streaming, teaching online. Ako lang pala ang 1 year. Thank you, Colonel. Still, I appreciate you being here. Thank you. And we will continue even if we only have a few viewers. We will still continue to give out free classes every Tuesday. We will be giving out giveaways soon. Probably not this time. What we will do. Okay, so we will just have 4 questions. I think you know this game. It's called the 24 card game. And let me see. Yes. You can only use each card once. Jack is 11. Queen is 12. King is 13. You can only use the card once. You only use the addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction sign. You can do grouping. You can group together, and then you can do whatever you want. Not just exponential, okay? But you can only use it once. Sige na. Balash-balashan nyo na. Bakit yung nag-flicker? Why am I flickering? Mahirap ba? Pinapahirapan ba kayo ni Teacher Maria? Ha? Wait. Okay. 2 hearts plus... No. Walang kinalaman yung hearts and clover and spades. Walang kinalaman. It's just the number. Just the number. So, yung number mo dito is 10. King is 13. 2 and 10. So, with 10, 10, 13, and 2. Sorry, ma'am. Not familiar sa game. Okay. Alright. Lalaro na lang tayo ng Jackbox. So, what you do is, you just need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So, halimbawa, ito, 10, 10, 13, 2. So, anong dapat gawin? So, let's say, for example, 10 minus 2 is 8, diba? And then, 13 minus 10 is 3. And then, 8 times 3 is 24. Yun. That's it. You get it? So, bale, 10 minus 2 is 8. So, 8 bale yan. That's 8. 13 minus 10 is 3. Tapos, okay, ano bang kulay ito? So, bale, 10 minus 2 is 8. Ay, nako. And then, 13 minus 10 is 3. Tapos, i-multiply mo itong dalawa. You'll get 24. Diba? So, that is what you call 24 card game. I normally use this in class when I teach math. This is to exercise their mental maths. Okay. Now you get it? Try mo. Try mo tong last number. Sana ba si Amber at saka si Maha Blanca? Paging Amber and Maha Blanca. I have to add both cards, Demon. Not necessarily add, as long as ang gagamitin mo lang, you can either add, subtract, multiply, divide. The simple operations lang. But you can only use the card once. Once lang. Halimbawa, eto. Ginamit ko yung 10 once. Eto na 10. Ginamit ko once. 10 minus 2. Ginamit ko yung 2 ng once. So, 10 minus 2. Ginamit ko yan ng once is 8. 13 minus 10 is 3. Yung answer ng dalawang cards, minultiply ko so that I'll get 24. Your aim is to get 24. So, dito, you have 6, 6, 6, 8. Waling Jackbox. We have Jackbox. In 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 9:45. Wait. Ito, ma'am. Yes, wait. Yes, this is the one. So, you have 6, 6, 6, 8. You can only use the card once. But you can choose whatever operation you want. As long as your final answer is 24. Kahit anong gawin mo. Divide, multiply, divide. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12. Ang galing naman, Colonel. Well done. Dali-dali nun ah. See, you're getting it. Well done. Okay, so it's a nice way of playing. You can actually play it with cards. Galing. Okay. All right, let's go to Jackbox now. May ano eh. So, kuha mo na, Colonel, next time. Ano na naman kita. Alright. Yes, we will be playing Jackbox on the last 15 minutes of our live stream. Yes. So, kuha mo na, no? So, it's actually an exercise mentally. Yun. O, diba? I have introduced you a new game. Okay. Ambery, which one? Flash or Gaspinage? I think maganda yung Gaspinage. I love the Gaspinage. Let's do Gaspinage. For those who wanted to join, just type in Jackbox TV. Gas spinach. Ay, Colonel, gas spinach. Hindi spinach. Pagkain yun eh. Yes.
To all agents, the break room refrigerator will be cleaned out on Friday. Please remove all personal items. This includes condiments, lunch containers, and the frozen Hitler brain. Thank you.
Thank you.
Believe it.
Magmask
I hear
ko
you.
kasi inuubo ako. Let's join. Thank you for our
What's with
9
the new
viewers
vending
tonight.
machines? There's like
Welcome,
18
welcome.
buttons to press for a soda.
Welcome.
Oh, right. The soda's encrypted now.
What? Come on!
Wait, ma'am. Join ako late. Tagal na. Okay lang. No problem. I'll let you join.
And this is Max. He's in charge of our couples department.
What does that entail?
He's in charge of listening in on thousands of couples.
Wow. Any good dating advice?
Sure, love is a sham and we all die alone.
So
Alam
that's
kong maulan
Max.
sa Pasay.
Let me introduce you to literally anybody else.
No problem. Wala pa naman sina Ambery din eh. Paging Ambery! Ay! Wait.
What does that mean?
That's the alarm that goes off when the world's man bun population
I
has
guess
eclipsed
you are
15%.
What do we do?
enjoying this.
We head to the basement and we wait it out.
Okay, everybody, file
Let's
out
just
in
enjoy
an
this.
orderly manner. Remain calm.
Press. Who is we? Who is we? We is who?
Hey, did we ever get those results about whether cult members like chunky or smooth peanut butter?
No,
is
all of our
we?
field agents keep
Who is
getting
we?
discovered and converted.
Ugh, I'm just gonna say chunky then.
Who is we? Who is we? We is who?
A reminder to all agents, we have a camera on the coffee pot, so we know when you take the last cup and don't refill the pot. This is your final warning.
Yes. Final warning. No problem. We can start in 3 minutes. No problem. Wait.
A
wait.
reminder to all agents, inter-office romances
No
are
problem.
permitted
Fair enough,
but
fair
must
enough.
be reported.
No problem.
Granted, we are well aware of them. We just want to hear you say it.
Let me know who is we. We is who.
Attention agents. For anyone with lingering character traits from our intensive company production of A Streetcar Named Desire, mandatory deprogramming is at 3, y'all. Yes.
Yes. Wait.
I heard we have a new French agent starting today.
Oh hey, I think that may be him.
Hi there. Are you the new French agent?
Oui, moi, je viens juste d'arriver. Je veux juste chercher les ressources humaines. Mais avant, il faut que je trouve un bon café et quelques croissants. Tu pourrais m'indiquer où c'est? Quand est-ce qu'on part pour le déjeuner? J'ai que 2 heures, il
Yes,
faut que
so-
j'en profite. Et la pizza,
Yeah,
c'est bien,
just-
mais
just
ils sont où
what
les
I
couteaux et
have
les fourchettes?
mentioned,
Oh, dis donc, qu'est-ce qu'il fait froid dans
this
ce bureau? Comment ils font pour garder?
This
C'est un
channel
frigo?
has been up and running for 2 years,
Yeah, I
and
did not
thank
catch
you
any
all.
of that. Did he
Or-
say he was French or not?
How did you pass the entrance exam?
Rapa
Oh,
na
I didn't take
Joker.
it. My dad's the director.
That checks out.
Okay.
Ooh,
Interesting.
Joker. Okay, let me know if I need to press
Interesting.
start.
So I find out my wife is an agent.
And you had no idea?
No, I was sent to spy on her.
And you have
Someone
kids,
can
right?
decide.
Yeah, turns out they're agents.
Wow. 4 incomes.
Yeah, that is pretty nice.
Okay. Can we start? Can we press the button now? Let me know. Let me know.
All agents, please don't give Agent 13 doggy treats without making him roll over or speak. You'll spoil him.
Roll over. Agent 13. Roll over, Agent 13.
Hey, Sheila,
Roll
what are you
over,
doing with
Agent
those classified
13.
folders you're leaving the building with?
it's not what you think. These are gag folders. See, it says classified.
Yeah, because you crossed out classified and wrote that yourself with a Sharpie.
I outrank you. I don't need to explain.
Okay, see you later,
Are we all
Snowden.
in? Can I start? Can I press start button? And I press now the start button. Start button.
You think this coffee tastes weird?
Oh, that's the nanites. They're
High
little
five.
silicon robots that detonate should you turn out to be a double agent
All
or
right,
go
let's
rogue.
start.
Just a simple behavior inhibitor.
Everybody's
Oh my
in.
god. Are they approved for paleo?
I don't
Well, I've played all the Tetris I can stand for the next few days. The only thing left to do? No, not switch to Dr. Mario. Take all the info your government has collected on its citizens and use it to play a little game I like to call Guespionage. Off we go. Who's up first?
Okay, let's see. Rakrakano.
Ooh, the president asked us to look this up yesterday.
I simply me. 3-letter celebrities, the people's choice.
Concerning celebrity Mels, what percentage of people prefer Mel Brooks over Mel Gibson?
Wow.
Give it your best guess. You get more points the closer you come to the actual
For
percentage.
me, I don't know Mel Brooks, so I'll go for Mel Gibson.
Okay, we have a guess. 46%. Everyone else, now it's your turn. Do you think the correct answer is higher or lower?
46%. Prefer Mel Brooks. Lower.
We leave it.
Ha! One of you thinks it's higher. Now let's get to the right answer. 75%! They nearly
What?
joined forces to make The Passion of the Schwartz. But you know, scheduling
Mel
conflicts.
Who's Mel Brooks?
Who picked higher? Nice job, I've got some points for you.
Joker, you're such a joker.
Next up. Ha! All right, buckle in. I've got one for you.
Okay. Tattoos. Question is on tattoos.
What percentage of people have tattoos on or near their butts or genitals?
What kind of question is this?
19%. Okay, higher or lower?
I think for me, at least higher than 19.
We leave it.
Just one person says lower. Okay, let's see the right answer.
Let's see.
4%! You may wonder why we keep track of this data. We have our reasons. I'll leave it at that.
Oh my.
Let's see who got it right. Well done. You get points.
Joker! Are you joking me?
Okay, who's up next?
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go, Joker.
Ooh, I remember seeing good surveillance for this yesterday.
Bare feet.
What percentage of people would prefer to go through their entire lives barefoot?
Seriously? Who would like to be barefooted the entire life? Let's
23%. What do y'all think? Higher or lower?
What percentage of people would prefer to do the NLS?
Ha!
Lower.
I hear you.
Lower,
Please
lower.
leave it.
Just one of you
I
is
think
saying
I'm
higher.
unlucky
And the
tonight.
correct answer is 36%. Sadly, those people would never again be welcome inside a Burger King. Who got it right? Nice job. I've got some points for you.
Rock and yum. Well done.
Who's next?
Me.
I hear you.
Let's see, what would be good?
Okay.
How about this?
Shoe shines. Shoe shines. Shoe shines.
What percentage of people have had their shoes shined at the airport?
Shoe shine. Okay.
38%.
38%.
Okay, higher or lower?
I'm not so sure. Because I've never done it. It's a game of
Please leave it.
probability.
Only one of you thinks it's higher. And Surveil says
Dun, 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 dun.
5%. Your guess wasn't within 30% of the correct answer, so you don't get any points.
Oh no.
Let's see who got it right.
No.
Here's some points.
Oh no.
Okay, who's up next?
Alright.
Please leave it.
Believe it.
I'll bet our database has some juicy data for this. What percentage of people have sent someone a nude selfie?
What? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're almost out of time. 27%. What do y'all think? Higher or lower? Ha!
I hear you.
Looks like an even split. And Surveil says
Oh my goodness.
47%.
Seriously?
Remember,
People
kids, when you're
send
sending
nude
someone a nude
selfies?
selfie, you're also sending us a nude selfie. Make sure it's a good one.
That's so bad. Please.
Who got it right? Well done. You get points.
Well
We
done,
made
well
it through
done.
round one. Let's peek at the scores.
I hear you. Please leave it.
Ha!
Hey, this is so bad.
Not bad, but things are a little different in round two. I'll explain as we go.
Oh no. This is so
First
bad.
up. Why do we refer to them as soft? What percentage of people prefer Coke's family of beverages to Pepsi's or RC's?
What percentage of people prefer Coke family of beverages to Pepsi or RC?
We have an answer. 62%. In round two, you can double down if you think the guess is off by 15% or more. Just pick much higher or much lower. If you're right, you'll earn double the money. If not, you'll get nothing.
Okay. What percentage of people prefer Coke? Higher.
I hear you.
Running out of time.
Yeah.
Please leave it.
One lonely vote for lower. And the correct answer is 65%. Dang,
Well done,
you
well
nailed that
done.
guess.
Yes, at least I have a score.
Let's see who got it right. Here's some points. As for you, I'm sorry. That answer was closer than 15%. Shouldn't have doubled
But I
down.
only have 1,000.
Next up.
It's so bad.
Okay, here's something I stepped on in bare feet this morning. What percentage of people save twist ties for future use?
I think the questions are
37%. Everyone pick higher or lower.
I hear you.
Secrets.
Believe it.
Just one person says lower. Okay, right answer is 38%. Wow, 1% off. That's worth a lot of points.
I got a few points, but
Who got
I
it
don't
right?
think I can.
Ooh, points for you.
No way. No
Who's
way, Jose.
next?
Joker. Okay.
We've collected data about everything, even this.
Signatures. Okay.
What percentage of people consider their signatures to be very legible?
Hi, Jordan. Boss Hunter. Hi. Thank you for dropping by, Jordan. Thank you for watching.
Time's a wasting.
Come on, Joker. You can do this. That's too much.
59%. Everyone else, higher or lower?
What percentage of people consider their signatures to be very legible? What percentage of people?
Believe it.
Hurry
Lower.
up.
I hear you.
Just one of you is saying higher.
Jordan.
Okay, let's see
Are
the right
you-
answer.
From where are you? Welcome to our
19%.
live stream.
And the other 81% are doctors. Let's see who got it right. Smart, yes. Here's your
Smart,
points.
smart. Amazing smart. Amazing smartness.
Okay, who's up next?
Okay, let's go, let's go. It's
I
me,
hear
it's
you.
me.
I don't know. How about
Swimwear. This is so creepy.
what percentage of people have worn bathing suits under their clothes because they were out of underwear?
What percentage of people have worn bathing suits under their clothes because they were out of Yay!
71%. Everyone else, higher or lower?
Salamat, Jordan. We are at the end of our live stream. We normally do this. Just play at the end, just to relax our brain cells.
Running out of time.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Blessed, blessed, blessed. Blessed.
The majority say lower. Now let's get to the right answer. 23%.
Seriously?
4 words for this problem. Do your f***ing laundry.
Hey, no bad
You
words.
got it right.
You, Jackbox.
Well done. You get points. And what have we here? Good job. Double points for saying much lower.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Believe it.
Here's one that'll perk up the ears of HR. What percentage of people currently have a crush on someone they work with? %53%. All right, what do you think?
All right, let's do this.
Secrets.
Higher.
I hear you.
I'll be safe. I'll go higher. Don't go too high.
What do you think? Higher
Let's
or
see,
lower?
let's see, let's see.
Ha! Everyone says higher except for one of you. And the correct answer is 29%.
Oh my goodness!
What a weird question. Right, Shelly?
Ready?
Let's see who got it right. Nice job. I've got some points for you.
Nice job. I think next time we'll not play Gaspinage anymore. We'll not play Gaspinage.
It's time for the final round. By hacking hundreds of cell phones, we found the most popular answers to this question. Other than mama or dada, what's the first word most people said as babies? So they were told. Let's take a look at the board.
Okay. Other than mama
You
or
have
dada,
3 chances to pick the most
what
popular answers
was
on the board.
first
Ready,
word
go!
most babies said as babies. Let's see.
Remember, you can pick 3 answers, not just one.
Hi Jordan, do you have a YouTube channel? Follow you. Is this your YouTube channel?
Okay, let's see what you picked.
Let's see.
And what are the most popular answers?
Baby. Wall, no. Yeah, these are the simple ones.
Who's gonna get the gold star? Who is it, boy? Who is it? It's...
Believe I hear you.
Congratulations, Rock done.
My.
Rock,
Seeing this game
rock,
played like
rock.
you did really warms my cockles. Did you know 76% of people don't even know what cockles
Congratulations, Rock. Hey. Congratulations. Hey. Who is Rakrakan? Who is Rakrakan? Show yourself. Rakrakan. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, Rakrakan. Yes, and that ends our live stream for tonight. Thank you so much sa lahat ng naglaro. Thank you so much for all those who played. Rakrakan is on the first, followed by Who Is We, followed by me, and then Blessed, and then Joker. Joker, you did not play it right. You did not play it right. Yeah, but the questions tonight was a bit weird. So probably next time we go back to our what was that? Quick flash next week. Me, Rakrakan. Wow, Colonel, congratulations, Colonel. Well done, Colonel. Well done. Congratulations, Ma Blanca, whoever is it. Uh-oh. Alright, okay. Yes, so thank you so much for everyone who joined the live stream tonight. And so we are going to end. Congratulations, everyone. It was fun. Yeah, it was fun, but I just don't like the first few questions from Espionage.
Hi, you reached the voicemail of General Office Building. Our office is currently closed
sorry.
because, again, we are
Sorry,
just a
Karina,
typical
it's
office
already
business.
8 o'clock.
If you know your party's extension,
Bye,
enter it
everyone.
now,
Next
and then
week
explain
we'll
to us
have
how you
2
got
of
that
it.
intel.
If we don't have
only need to
any
know
much
4
topic
regular
next
office
week,
reasons.
then we
Nothing
can
else.
be able to
Please
play
leave a message at the beep, because we
games.
certainly haven't been recording you this whole time.
Thank you so much and have a good night, everyone. Goodbye and God bless po sa lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Have a good and blessed evening ahead. See you next week, every Tuesday at 7
It's a hot
p.m.
one today, isn't
Ito
it?
lang, same
Sure
channel,
is.
same place.
Tomorrow will be even hotter,
same
they say.
teacher.
What? Hotter
Teacher
than today?
Maria.
I
I'll
don't
see
buy
you next
that.
week. Bye-bye.
Apparently.
Good night.
Wow, geez,
Po
that's
sa lahat. Thank
gonna
you
be,
so much.
really hot.
Thank you.
Yeah,
well. Personally, I
Thank
prefer the
you.
cold over the heat any day.
me too.
Thank you
So
very
I
much,
just
Mom.
don't like hot weather.
I don't know
Just
where's
know what it
Embry.
is.
I don't know where's
I'm with
Erna.
ya.
I don't know where's
See, I'd much rather
everyone.
be like a little
Yes.
bit chilly than sweating.
Thank you
all the
and
time.
see you
My
next
thoughts exactly.
week. Bye-bye.
Wow,
Bye-bye.
it's moments like these I don't get why only 4% of people enjoy office small talk.
I completely agree.
Bye-bye. Thank you po.